Hey guys, it's FanaticGuide, and today we are going to be taking a look at the premium silicone case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max from IceSword. And I would like to take a moment to thank and give a shout out to IceSword for sending these cases out to me. So let's get started. Now these two are a premium silicone case. These both have MagSafe compatibility. There is also a variant that does not have MagSafe compatibility. Now, as you can see, this has extra camera protection with that lip up there. Now I'll get into more of the details with both the MagSafe variant as well as the non-MagSafe variant in a bit. Let's go ahead and unbox them. All right, let's do it. Starting with the red one. Oops, I tore that thing off. Nope, I did not. Now, as you may see, we have some soft microfiber lining in here. As you can see, these are where the MagSafe magnets are. These are a 38N52 type magnet. They're pretty strong. It's for basically fast charging as well as compatibility with MagSafe chargers, the battery pack, as well as the wallet and other MagSafe accessories. And also, along with the soft microfiber lining, I talked about the camera protection. And in between this, as well as the outer layer, there is some premium liquid silicone, and that is for durability. And you'll notice that there is a flexible bottom edge on both models. Everything except for this will basically be the same on both. So let's unbox the other one. Now that we have both cases unboxed, let's go and see how it looks on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So for those wondering how my phone looks in this case, I'd say it looks all right. So, like I said, the volume button and the power button are raised, and there is a hole for the ringer switch as well as the speakers and the charge port. So I'd say pretty good. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video or found this helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.